Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to check my purchase power on Klarna. The first thing I want you to do is actually launch up the Klarna app. And if you don't have one already, okay, go ahead and create a one-time card, which you can basically use for purchases that will give you a purchase power. So you can tap on this. If you haven't already, it will create one. Usually it's valid for 24 hours. You'll see all your details right here that you can use. It's just a limited use virtual card. Okay. And to basically see your purchase power after you create your card, you can close this, come at the bottom right, click on your profile icon. And right here, you'll see it written right here, purchase power. Okay. So you can make purchases up to that amount and it will be split into 4 payments. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.